Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a project share. This one is a illusion bag swap that was hosted by Leslie on I'm sorry, Leslie. She is here on YouTube and on Instagram as CraftyCoco73. Hi, Leslie. And anyways, she did host a one-on-one illusion bag. And if you guys don't know, this is an illusion bag. I'll link her down in the description below so you guys can see. She has awesome tutorials, videos to show. She loves, or it seems like she loves the illusion bag. It is the cutest thing ever as well. I'm so glad I was able to join. And this again was a one-on-one swap. And so this is what I ended up creating. So basically on this swap, it was one-on-one. As I believe I mentioned before, we had to include or add anything that would fit in the bag. Die cuts, stickers, ephemera, charms, um, embellishments. We also did have to do an ATC or memory dex card, and here is my index card. How cute is that? Anyways, so my information is back here on this thing right here, and then yeah, so anyway, so let me go ahead and show you guys what I ended up creating and what I ended up doing. So I basically you use chat oh my god, I can't even say the name. So I couldn't get it to work. Um she did upload bags, for people that weren't able to use it. The chat, whatever she see, what I don't know, I can't even say it. Anyways, so Tree, my friend Tree, helped me out, and she sent me this one right here, and I loved it. So I just basically told her what I wanted, and that is what she did. And anyways, so let me go ahead and show you guys what I did put on here. I did have this die cut. I just received it from K KJ. It's the other KS Craft. So I did have this. Somebody had gifted me this book, so I went ahead and put it there, as well as this right here. And these are some of the words that I ended up putting here. And these are like crafty fun um um words. I think some of them just went in there right now. So there's a few more. I think they went in there. Anyway, so I thought this was a cute little coin purse. Is that what it's called? And so I went ahead and put those in there. I have this one. I think this one was, oh my goodness, is it from the same? It's either cathyscraft or that site. So I went ahead and did this right here, and it's not cute. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I had this die. This is a stamped of life die. And oh my goodness, I had to use it. And some of these bowls that I have, either it's pieced together from items that I've had in my stash, and I just wanted to went ahead and use them. Oops, sorry. And then so here is beaded. I did do a beaded pen, and isn't that cute? Isn't she so cute? Oh my goodness. And then some die cuts right here. So she gets some die cuts and some butterflies. And I did add some bag toppers. I did use these that were also gifted to me, but I went ahead and left the blank so my partner, if she wants, she can just go ahead and add anything to them. I did use a embellishment folder to give it that extra design right there. I did that as well with the coin purse. So yeah, anyways, so this one is another item that I made, and again I did use an item that was gifted to me. So this one was gifted to me on I believe one of my challenges. So here are a few items that I am gifting my partner, and then I did these, and I also left them blank so she could go ahead and decorate them. And that is it. That's it. And then I did want to show you guys this. Kelly from, oh my goodness, Kelly, oh my goodness. She gifted me on one, I think it was last year's swap that we were partnered in. She had a cute little design, and I kind of eyeballed it and did it to my what I wanted to do. So this is, and then I put some little sequins in there, and yeah, that is it. So hopefully my partner likes what I'm sending her. And yeah, I had so much fun creating this. I did receive her package. Her is Ann Owens, and I received her package, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cover that up and show you guys. This one is still sealed up, you guys. So see, it's not even open yet. So I have not opened it. I've been waiting to open it. She actually sent it to me as soon as we were partnered up. She sent it to me like that same week. So she had already finished hers. So I was like, oh my goodness, like pressure, the pressure. But I did not open it. I did tell her I was not going to open it until I sent her my stuff. So yeah, anyways, so hopefully, like I said, she likes what I'm sending her, and she enjoys it. I had fun making this, and you guys, I want to thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys on our next video. So now I have to fix this back in here. Anyways, you guys, again, thank you. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.